How to choose the perfect wedding ring. 7 essential tips you need to know. A wedding ring isn't just a piece of jewelry. It's a promise, a symbol, and a story that lasts a lifetime. But with so many options out there, how do you find the one that perfectly captures your love? Today, we're breaking down 7 essential tips to help you choose the perfect wedding ring. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Understand your metal options. First things first, the metal. Gold classics like yellow or rose gold offer timeless warmth, but they can scratch easily. Platinum, on the other hand, is hypoallergenic and ultra-durable, perfect for active lifestyles. Titanium? Lightweight and budget-friendly, but not resizable. Think about your daily routine and what fits your lifestyle. Tip 2. Set a realistic budget. Wedding rings can range from simple bands to dazzling masterpieces. Set a budget early and stick to it. A good rule of thumb? Allocate 3 to 5% of your total wedding budget. Remember, this ring is forever, but so are your future goals. Balance beauty with practicality. Tip 3. Match your personal style. Your ring should feel like you. Are you a minimalist? A sleek platinum band might be your soulmate. Love vintage charm? Consider intricate engravings or mill-grain details. And don't forget, your partner's ring should complement yours. Mix metals or textures for a cohesive but unique look. Tip 4. Prioritize comfort. You'll wear this ring every day, so comfort is key. Curved or comfort fit bands sit smoothly against your finger, while flat designs suit bold styles. Pro tip: try stacking rings if you plan to wear an engagement ring alongside it. And always get professionally sized. Fingers swell and shrink with seasons. Tip 5. Think long-term. Trends come and go, but your wedding ring is forever. Ask yourself, will this design still feel me in 20 years? Classic styles like solitaire diamonds or plain bands rarely fade. If you love bold trends, opt for a timeless base and add removable stackable rings for flair. Tip 6. Personalize it. Add a secret touch that speaks to your love story. Engrave a meaningful date, coordinates of where you met, or a lyric from your first dance song. Some couples even embed tiny gemstones from family heirlooms. It's these details that turn a ring into a legacy. Tip 7. Don't skip the maintenance. Last but not least, protect your investment. Regularly clean your ring with mild soap and a soft brush, and store it safely when doing rough work. Schedule annual checkups with your jeweler to tighten stones and polish the band. A little care keeps that sparkle alive, just like your love. Choosing your wedding ring is a journey of love, practicality, and self-expression. Whether you go classic, bold, or totally unconventional, let it reflect the bond you share. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for more wedding wisdom. Got questions or your own tips? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.